Does your Shiba Inu token holdings exceed 1 million? You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or have Shib tokens, since a lot has transpired in the last 24 hours and it could significantly impact the value of Shiba Inu. So what's the most recent update on the Shiba Inu coin? The question then becomes, how does this impact the value of Shiba Inu? These are some of the questions I'll be answering in today's video, along with some new information regarding Shiba Inu. I want you to know that I have invested a lot of time and effort on this video so that you won't miss a thing. Additionally, click the link in the description to join my free Telegram group. Among my many incredible group calls are a number of 10xs, 20xs, and even a 40x call. The responses have been really phenomenal. If you haven't joined yet, you're truly losing out. But first, let's examine the graph. Only then will we go on to the main point. Let's keep an eye on the Shiba price on July 6th, shall we? The current price of a Shiba Inu is approximately 1,605 units. There was $342 million worth of activity for Shib in the last 24 hours, which represents an 11% increase in price. With a market cap of more than $9.4 billion, the token is now the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency. You should be aware that these rates may have changed by the time you view this video. Financial advice is not provided by this content. We can begin today's video now. Cracking the code of this week's Shiv crash. The unpleasant price fall of Shiba Inu is happening right now. The reasons for Shiv's crash and its possible future prospects are covered in this guide. When the price of Shiv drops, what does that imply? For the coin, the present state of the market. The price of Shib has fallen significantly, down 6% in the past 24 hours and 8% over the past week. Not only that, but trade volumes have fallen below $300 million, much below its average coin competitors. Despite a steep fall in value for the average coin, Shib's burn rate has surged by more than 8,500%. An increase in selling pressure is the most probable explanation for this increase, which could explain the drop. Meme coins have been significantly impacted by the recent corrections to the cryptocurrency market. Total market capitalization for the industry fell sharply for the same cause. Additionally, with fewer transactions and fewer daily blocks executed, Shibarium has also noticed a decline in activity. Shiba Inu prognosis for the future. Although Shib has been having a bad patch as of late, everything is not lost. But there is some evidence that Shib could be on the mend. As the picture clearly shows, the RSI value has been rather low. It would mean the world to me if you could hit that like button if you're still here. With no out-of-pocket expense, you can show your support for the channel. But stay tuned for more Shiba Inu news and updates, as well as predictions for the future of the Shiba Inu coin. After Sony relaunched its Japanese crypto exchange, S-Blocks, the Shiba Inu became a hot topic in the cryptocurrency community. Since the site is only currently compatible with a few number of cryptocurrencies, this news has piqued the curiosity of sheepholders in the meme coin. Streamlining the Japanese cryptocurrency exchange. Market Sony's Take Times tabloid first revealed that electronics behemoth Sony is reviving the Whalefin cryptocurrency exchange in Japan. This action marks Sony's foray into Japan's digital asset trading industry. In a number of recent developments, the company has renamed its parent company from Amber Japan to S-Blocks, launched a new mobile app to increase accessibility and enhance the user experience on the old Whalefin platform by adding new trading tools. The presence of Shiba Inu on S-Blocks, included on the S-Blocks platform, is where Shib gets its significance. While some media agencies have depicted the relaunch as a Bitcoin exchange, notable Shiba Inu community member Lola on X brought attention to this point. Among the several cryptocurrencies highlighted by Lola is Shiba Inu. Lola argues that cryptocurrencies like Shib shouldn't be overshadowed by Bitcoin's prominence in media coverage. When Bitcoin experiences a bull market, altcoins tend to follow suit. She stresses that the inclusion of Shiv in the Sony-backed exchange is the most important thing to remember, since it is a development that the Shiba Inu community views positively. Sony's growing involvement with cryptocurrency. In 2023, Sony acquired Amber Japan, which led to their participation with S-Blocks. Sony entered the Japanese cryptocurrency exchange sector for the first time with this acquisition. S-Blocks is the platform's second name change since it first launched. Sony is showing increasing interest in the cryptocurrency market, even if they haven't declared an official relaunch date for S-Blocks. The Shiba Inu community is ecstatic with Shib's addition to the platform, and everyone is watching how well it does on the exchange going forward. The meat of today's video is about to begin. After suffering a steep drop in value over the past few months, Analysts who predicted the present meltdown now expect SHIB prices to rise to 5,000 units. Nevertheless, TradingView expert Alex, who correctly foresaw the recent decline, has a positive outlook on the token's future. After presenting his findings in late May, Alex correctly predicted the decline in SHIB prices by outlining multiple possible routes for the stock's price. The analysis was conducted when SHIB was trading between 2,400 and 2,600 units, and numerous analysts were projecting a jump to 3,000 units. Alex, on the other hand, was more cautious and predicted that SHIB would experience sharper falls. He laid out 3 different possibilities, each with its own unique trajectory, all of which would lead to a price goal higher than 5,000 units. Most forecasts were borne out by the first scenario, which saw SHIB immediately increase to 5,000 units. In the alternative scenario, the price would fall to 1,786 units before retesting a support level, and then it would soar to 5,000 units. The third scenario, which called for a decline to 1,707 units and a break below the support level, unfortunately came true, currently trading at 1,658 units. SHIB had dropped below this level as of June's closing. A possible recovery and the intended price level reviewed. Alex is still bullish on the market and sees further price drops to the Fibonacci 100 level, which corresponds to 4,000 units, notwithstanding the latest slump. We anticipate this region to serve as a launchpad for substantial expansion. Alex's initial price target range of 5,387 to 5,937 units is still valid. In November 2021, when SHIB was falling from an all-time high of 8,804 to 5 units, this resistance area was last encountered. In the near future, analyst Davey Satoshi predicts a price objective for SHIB that is similar to Alex's optimism. Arguments in favor of the rally: it is possible that demand for SHIB may rise in light of the continuing trend of exchange net outflows. According to CryptoQuant data, SHIB has seen 23 days in a row with negative exchange flows beginning on June 2nd. In the last 30 days, more than $8.6 trillion in tokens. This could mean that investors are accumulating and selling pressure is decreasing. Additionally, at 33.68 on the Relative Strength Index, SHIB is trading in oversold territory. This is in line with a recent study by Sandemit that highlighted a decrease in SHIB's MVRV ratio to -1.5. Some investors may see this as a chance to purchase. Investors can find hope in Alex's research, even if SHIB has gone through a difficult phase. There is evidence from on-chain data and technical indicators that suggests a possible recovery and a return to the 5,000 unit territory. But before putting their money into the cryptocurrency market, investors should do their homework and be prepared for the market's extreme volatility. In the next 5 years, many of our subscribers say they will hang on to millions of SHIB and refuse to sell a single one, for the simple reason that they have faith in the Shiba Inu team and SHIB's practical applications. Tell me, how many are in your possession? Leave a comment below detailing your SHIB holdings. The SHIB holder deserves praise for having faith in the procedure. Give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu coin in the comments if you're enjoying it. If you would like to be notified whenever we upload a new video, you can do so by turning on the post notifications. You shouldn't limit your investigation into SHIB alone just now. I just made a video discussing potential new Shiba Inu coins. To learn more, watch the video that is currently displayed. Thank you for tuning in.